Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video. But before we dive into today's content, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my future videos. Alright, in today's video, we are going to address 5 common WordPress duplicate content issues and their solutions. So, sometimes when you deal with WordPress content, you have realized that your website doesn't seems to be search engine ranking, so your website is not there in search results, and that's why you may get frustrated. So the reason behind this might be a duplicate content. So when Google or any other search engine find duplicate content on your website, it might not crawl your website in a correct way. So it is very necessary to address this issue and fix the duplicate content issues. So basically, there are 5 categories where you find WordPress duplicate content. First is tags. So when you go to WordPress, you find you have number of tags added to WordPress sites, right? So you have divided your post into number of tags. So this is very good fundamental, and you can use tags in a various way to differentiate the content, right? But sometimes when you have much more content, when your website grows, you may find the duplicate content, and because of duplicate content, you will, by mistake, you might be creating duplicate content. Okay, so here you see we have this alignment tag, for example, or articles tag, okay, or architecture tag. When you create categories, and categories are kind of similar to tags, but when you create categories, you need to make sure that you are not creating category name same as tags name, right? If you are going to do that, you will create multiple content, or you can say duplicate content with different categories and tags. So when you create tags, make sure you are not creating same category names as tags. Okay, so this will really help you to eliminate duplicate content. The next possible thing is competing topics. So when you are creating content for your WordPress blog, you need to make sure that you are not creating same content multiple times. Let's say I am going to create one post, and the title is hello world, okay, and I'm again creating after 1 or 2 months with the same title, not exactly same title might be the different, like hello world new. But if the content is same, not exactly same, but it is relevant, then it will fall into this category competing topics. What you are doing, you are creating multiple content with the same topic, and it is called duplicate content. So when any search engine like Google try to find uh, any particular content on your website, it will not able to find the exact topic. It will see that your website is having multiple topics and with the same content, similar content. So it's called competing topics. So you need to make sure whenever you are adding new post or any content, that particular content is not there on your website already. If it is there, please ignore and do not create the same type of content with same topics again and again. It will help your website to rank, and it's a good method. Okay, the next one is search box URL. So what I mean by search box URL, so this is not exactly the problem, but sometimes search boxes on WordPress sites may generate URLs. So for example, if someone externally links to one of these URLs, or if search engines can crawl and find them, they might be indexable. So, although you could try to automatically add meta robots no index do follow in the tags, that probably doesn't have to be covered, right? So, to address this issue, you need to find the unique identifier that the search box URL have in common. So, most of the times it's the question mark after the main URL. So once you find this identifier, unique identifier, you have to go to your robots.txt file, and it should be on your root folder of your WordPress installation, and you need to add a disallow to this parameter. So if you do it, this will help to reduce the duplicate content issue from these search engine URLs. Okay, so you can do that. And the last one is other. So other is not related to any particular topic, but with system that automate a lot of work and make our life easy, other issues can arise that create duplicate content issues. So sometimes you need to create a PDF version of your content for printing purposes, and that are also indexable, right? So sometimes you have RSS feed that post content or pages instead of snippets, and this RSS feed also get duplicate content. So you need to make sure that these RSS feeds or PDF versions are not duplicate. All right, that's a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and I will catch you.